The government's advocacy for affordable housing for Kenyans is taking a different twist as members of the real estate investors propose a different strategy to achieving their 500,000 affordable housing target by the year 2022. According to Kariuki, the subject of affordability will be well seasoned by services provided, and the government should create an enabling environment for investors in the mixed-use development business.
With the ambition of 500,000 affordable housing units, it's part of what the government is looking to apply in delivering that. I think the government appreciates that it can only be a successful scheme if the private sector is heavily involved.
Domestic capital has a much better understanding of risk. Domestic capital is happy to operate in the currency in which the country operates.
However, with stifled credit to the private sector, cost of construction is likely to rise. Thus, developers have been advised to foster the use of technologies to reduce the cost of construction.
When people are building for themselves, yes, they have that attachment to having a stone house. But if you look at the alternatives in the market, when you're looking at renting in an urban area, and look at how people are actually living in squalor, I see this as a good opportunity. People will change their minds in terms of what they're able to afford in an urban setting.
Centum Real Estate also calls for consideration of new architectural technologies that will help in creating more space within the affordable housing units.
So the focus is not necessarily to sell units to homeowners who are looking to live in affordable units that they own, but to deliver units to the market that people can affordably rent and live in decent communities, and then offload those at scale to institutional investors. So that's the opportunity that we see.
The government is hugely depending on the private sector to finance the affordable housing agenda, whose cost is pegged at 1.2 trillion shillings.